Just a quick video on me approaching a roundabout to go ahead. Quite a busy roundabout. I'll explain what happens on the roundabout. There's two sides to what could have developed, and I'll explain why I did this situation on the roundabout. Let's go and see what happens. So I'm approaching a roundabout to go ahead. Now it's quite a busy roundabout and there's 3 lanes on the roundabout. I'm going to use the left lane to go ahead, the middle goes ahead and the right can go ahead all right. And as I approach the roundabout, in the distance you can see there's going to be a HGV that starts pulling out. That's going to affect the cars that are coming around from my right. That will affect me at the same time. It just develops pretty quickly. So as I'm approaching, I can see there's a white car coming around now on the right, followed by a car behind it. And there's the HGV pulling out. And as we're entering, all the cars are slowing down, and I'm slowing down, holding back, expecting the danger to develop in my left lane. A less experienced learner would have just tried going through there, or a less experienced driver, or a crazy driver would have gone through there, thinking it would be okay to just keep going through and there'd be no problem. So let's have a look at this in slow motion. So here comes the same footage from the roundabout, and I'll explain what's going on. So there's the cars slowing down. We've got the white car and the grey-green car behind it. Now, I'm approaching the left lane, starting to anticipate the fact that them cars want to go in my lane. The white car ahead starts showing indicator, followed by the car next to me now showing indicator at this point now. Is indicating to get into my lane. If I move forward, it'd be a problem for everyone because it's crowded on the right, so I'm holding back deliberately to make it easy for them to get in, to make it easy for me, so there's no problem for any of us and the traffic's flowing, no accidents. Where if you're not paying attention to what's happening on the roundabout next to you, you can potentially try and go past them and they're going to bump the side of your car because they might not see you. So be careful, watch out for things developing on busy roundabouts that will catch you out. Safe driving. If you like the video, check out the video showing on the screen now. Take care, everybody.